Well, alrighty, old goats. We got the oh, it's a light box. Depthlan folding photo studio kit. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. I don't know. Ooh, it fits tight in the bag. Whoo. All right. Whoo. Ooh, that's cool. It's got comes with a black thing. Neat. A blue thing, a red thing, a white thing. That's nice. I've never had one of these, so I'm not sure exactly. I think these are backdrops. But I've been doing a lot of product reviews here recently, and I figured I might want to get a light box so I can actually take some good photos of products. Alright, we got instructions. Yay, unfolding and setup. We're going to read that here. Alright, so unfolding, gently pull out the outer edge and unfold the studio box. Okay. Gently pull out the outer edge. Which one's the outer edge? I don't know. I don't know. Don't look like that. Don't look like that either. Uh-oh. We might be in a little bit of trouble here. Gently. Alright. Alright. I think we just need to be a little bit less gentle than gently. Just a little less gentle than gently. Alright, now it's starting to look like the picture does. Alright, sweet. So we're gonna unfold it here just to make this nice and pretty and easy to do. And I'm already liking how it looks. Okay. So now you're gonna line up the three triangular pieces with the button between the hole and the snap in place. Okay. So there's a button here. So now there's a light. I think the light goes on top. I don't think it matters which way I go though. So we're gonna put this hole. Can you see that hole? Here. This hole. Yep, that hole right there. You're gonna put it on the button. And then you're going to snap it with the snapper that's on the other side. That's simple enough. We do the same for the other side. Just put that there and put that there and snap it in there. Oops, I didn't snap it. Maybe, Okay, it's snapped. All right, now boy, it does not want to stay on this one. Now it's staying. Alright, so I just didn't push hard enough. So you place the studio box on a flat surface and insert the USB cable into the LED light. Well, I must have dropped the USB cable upstairs because the wife, she goes, I found this USB cable laying on the ground right by where this was sitting. I hadn't pulled it out of the package yet, so it must have been in the it must have slipped out somehow. We're gonna plug it into a USB here, and then we're just gonna go up here, and there's a nice little spot to plug it in. Bada bing, bada wow. Okay, so the light's on. You can see that. Now I'm all dark. Try to move this so I'm not so dark now. And let's see. Pull apart studio box, fold top. Oh, it's telling you how to fold it back up. Well, I don't need to know how to fold it back up. Alright, so it doesn't give instructions on what to do with these backdrops or whatever. But I think they're pretty self-explanatory. I like red. I like black. I kind of like blue. White's kind of boring. So it's got these two holes, right? Two holes. On the back of the box here, there's these two little pegs. You probably can't see them. And they're kind of still somewhat attached. So I'm just trying to poke them through here. There we go. And we're going to put the pegs on those. I think that's how it looks to me. Okay. So we'll turn that around here so you can see that's got the... I do apologize. My stuff is a little further away. So there you got the nice red backdrop. Now all we need to do is find something to take a picture of, right? I mean, we got a nice little light box here to take a picture of stuff and some little colors for it. Let's just find something to take a picture of. We'll do this other little tool here. It's a, I don't know, precision toolkit. We'll just do it instead. Okay. Now we need a camera to take a picture with. And I've always got stuff laying around, you know, it's all good. Find my camera. Where's my camera on this thing? That's the problem. You get old, you don't know what you're doing. Okay. So, and it's a little big for the box, but we'll take a picture that way. Then we'll take another one here. Just make sure we get it cropped in there good. I'm getting a little too... that's not what I wanted to do. Alright. Now just one more picture, just so we have some pretty stuff to show you here. But it does focus pretty quick and easy. I mean, there's plenty of light in there. It's actually pretty gorgeous, I think. I don't know, we'll put those pictures down here in the corner so you can see what I'm taking pictures of. So that's the light little box. We can take product photos in. Didn't cost a whole lot. These extra sheets here, we can just kind of put those in the box for safekeeping, and then from here, probably should just turn it off. We don't want it to burn out or be on forever. Nice. All right. So anyway, as far as working and a good product, it looks solid. I mean, you know, it's a light box. I mean, it's not, you know, you're not going to set stuff on top of it. That's not what you're supposed to do with it. You're supposed to, you know, put things in it to take a picture of it. So I think that'll be perfect for a lot of the pictures from a lot of the reviews I'm doing. Wish I would have thought to get one sooner, so I could have taken better pictures for reviews. But, you know, I am not the smartest person in the world. Anyway, that link for this is down below in the description. Check it out. If you're going to do any kind of product review, definitely get yourself a light box. This one seems to work really well. Easy to set up, easy to put together, easy to take photos in. Comes with some nice colored cloth for backdrops. So I can't see any reason why you wouldn't. Other than, you know, I'm stupid and I didn't think to get one sooner.